She's dating with a gangster.
I'm winning.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Thank you.
Yes. Good afternoon, princess. Bagong ligo yarn. What is that na?
Ginaw.
Bagong ligo ang ating baby girl. Tingnan nyo. Tinanong ko yung daddy niya. Kasi binili ko to siya nung buntis pa ako. And I don't know, I think it's for boy. Sabi ni Daddy Mike naman, hindi naman. Lagyan lang siya ng headband. Blue kasi yung kulay, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Mukhang lalaki naman ang ating baby girl. Kung umalis kami, lagyan na lang ng headband. No? Okay naman, unisex naman tong ganito, guys. No, hindi naman talaga kailangan na pag blue boy. Ano lang talaga kasi, wala pa talaga kasing buhok ang ating baby girl. Kaya, ayan, mukhang lalaki. Hello, beautiful princess! Hello! Dinala ko siya sa bedroom kanina kasi papatulog ko sana. Kasi after niyang mag-bath. Ayaw man niyang magpaiwan doon. Dito, nanonood ng TV ang kanyang ate. Ano yung ate, be? See? How are you?
How are you guys?
Hello, welcome back po. Ay,
Welcome back to the channel.
ito rin, niliguan ko rin to siya, guys. Tignan nyo, fresh na fresh din ang kanyang buhok. Did you have a shower?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And yeah, my height.
Yeah, she's so tall. Sinasabi niya she's so tall. Wow! Very tall. Very
I'm
tall.
tall and Mary.
Are you?
Yeah. Wee.
At ang Daddy Mike ay andyan o nagwo-work. Working mode. Working mode si Daddy. Mag-ano siguro kami, mag-walking siguro kami sa lunchtime. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Nak, what time is it now, Nak? What time is it? Huh? You don't know? You don't know?
Did you know?
That's what I'm asking you, because I don't know. Can you guess? Can you guess?
No.
No.
Can you see?
Can you guess, Nak? What time is it now, baby Celine? What time is it now? Ate Paris can't guess. Can you guess? Guess ba?
I can't.
Just try.
Oh. How? 49.
49? Ay! Alas 49 na, Nak.
Did you know what number is it? What was the number?
It's, I think it's nearly 2 o'clock now, Nak. Ng hapon.
One.
Show Tita and Tito what you're eating. What are you eating, Paris?
Cracker.
Move here a little bit, oh. Crackers. Sus, kaklaro, gid sa imong bukog, Nak, oy.
My mommy gave it to me.
Because, tingnan niyo, guys, kasi hindi ko makain ng, ito lang mga kinakain, oh. Ito talaga, pag pwede na to siyang pakain, ay, Nak, all the vegetables in the world. Big girl ni Mami. Big girl ni Mami. Show them your outfit, babe. Show them your outfit. Wow. Wow. Medyo may ginawa sa labas ba? Ang ating buhok ay Medyo may ano pa rin guys, oh. Meron pa rin wave from yesterday. As you can see, hindi na siya masyadong ano, ang tawag dito, mahaba. Oh. It's good kasi parang nakuha na yung mga ano talaga, dry at patay talaga sa bottom ba. Baby Celine is ready! Oh, we're going now na? I think matutulog to siya sa sasakyan, sa pram niya. Kasi hindi siya natulog after kanina ng ano, mag-bath. No, nagdidi siya, nakatulog siya, hinawakan ko. Pero pagkalapag, ay gising na gising. Gising na gising.
Daddy's got skateboard.
Oh!
So daddy on skateboard?
Tingnan yung dalawa. Oo. Careful ate ha! Oh, just put baby Celine in the pram. What's this for?
For Mama.
Oh, thank you, honey. That's so sweet.
Look at Daddy. He got one too.
Bayot pa na yung daddy. Yes, the baba. Hey. Hey. Do you love Sophie? Tingnan, yan yung hinawakan, kinakagat-kagat niya ngayon. We're going to the shop, my love. Close it a little bit. She's dating with a gangster. Sabi ni Daddy Mike.
Handsome.
Sasagutin ko ba daw siya kung ganito siya?
Come on.
I'm winning.
Bye-bye. Ah, quick, Paris! Paris, out on the road, honey. Hey, you too one day, honey. You gonna ride your scooter with Ate Paris?
Very hot.
Ah, medyo mahangin nga eh.
Very prickly.
No, it's not. Daddy, come on. Paslakan ka eh. Wow!
You got to Tita Jamie, okay?
Ibibigay niya doon sa ano kay
Putting your
Jamie,
head
yung
on
maari
that.
ng ano, cafe.
If I remember, I forgot one.
Yeah, I forgot one. Nung pumunta kami kahapon, hinanapan siya, sabi niya, where's my flower? Kaya sabi niya, siya yung nagsabi sa amin ngayon, I have to get a flower for Jamie.
Tita Jamie.
Gatang-tang. Hindi siya masyadong maginaw, pero windy. Tingnan nyo. Pasayaw-sayaw yung mga trees. Ay, mga dugayan. Hindi pa rin natutulog eh. I love you, anak. Wow, so beautiful.
Why can't you take a picture with me?
Doors. Hello everyone! Oh my god, sobrang ingay guys. So nandito kami ngayon sa cafe. Daddy Mark tsaka si Paris ay nag-order. Sobrang mahangin, as you can hear. Parang magigiba tong kanilang tent. Parang magigiba ang kanilang tent. So Daddy Mark just ordered our coffees. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog na. Paris! Tingnan niyo. What did you get? Barbie dream. Oh, show me. Wow.
And it's an apple.
Is it apple? Apple Barbie dream?
Yeah?
Wow.
Yum, don't try.
Big? Oh my god, it's so yummy.
Yeah, it's just apple.
Thank you for letting me try.
Look, see?
Thank you for letting me try.
It's just apple, look, see?
Yummy. Yummy.
They can
Alam niyo ba guys, meron tayong sobrang magandang balita. Alam niyo, busy palagi sila rin ako sa Fernways. So, sobrang magandang balita guys. Oh my goodness. So, diba, we are moving to Brisbane nga. Tapos, Daddy Mike, nag-resign siya ngayong December 3 yung last day niya. So, pupunta kami ng Brisbane 4th of January. So, meron siyang 1 month na ang tawag ito mag-ready and, you know, get everything set up para sa pag-alis namin. And then, pag nandun na kami sa Brisbane, so, the other day, I don't know if nakapag-vlog ako about doon, guys, but nag-interview sila ni Mike the other day. And, I think, positive yung resulta, guys. And I think he's got the job. So, hinihintay lang namin yung kasi tinatawagan pa daw yung mga reference niya, but meron na daw initial na sa kanya na daw yung job. So,
I think, to be honest,
super happy about it. Kasi nga, diba, at least pagdating namin doon, hindi na kailangan mag-apply si Daddy Mike ng trabaho kasi meron na siyang trabaho na naghihintay. So, super blessed. Thank you, Lord, for that. What did you order? So, as you can see, always yung siyang busy open sa work, sa kanyang Is that yours?
Yeah.
I have chocolate. This is mine.
Okay. Am I doing open it yet?
Okay. Baby? Do some unboxing of your food. Tell them what's that?
Smiley cake.
Smiley cake.
How many special toys?
You want a special toy?
Yeah, because I want. Because I want special toys. Papa doesn't have a special toy. I just got a new toy and I want special toys.
You have millions of toys at home.
But I need some new ones.
New ones?
Yeah, new ones.
It's making a lot of noise.
Oh! Well, what's that noise? What's that noise?
Okay, now, when Daddy comes here, you say to Daddy, congratulations, Daddy. Okay? Daddy got the job in Brisbane.
But I can't say it.
Huh? Can you say, oopsie. Can you say,
Sorry, Jamie.
sorry, Jamie. Sorry, Jamie, I spilled juice on your table. Say, congratulations.
Congratulations.
See? You can say it. Say, congratulations, Daddy.
Daddy. What's the noise?
It's a tent. Tingnan nyo ang tent, oh. So, tent lang siya sa harap ng cafe. Maliit lang siya. Kung saan lang pwedeng makakain, makainom. Yan.
I got all up.
What did you say na?
Congratulations, Daddy.
Kaya nakaupo na si Daddy Mike. Say, congratulations, Daddy.
yeah.
Pero may kausap pa rin si
Yeah.
Daddy. Hindi marinig.
I reckon when he tells Ford, I reckon Ford will give basically the same answer we did for Christmas now.
2:52. Tingnan nyo ang aking mama bells. Ay, hindi mag-focus. Ang mga apo kong gwapa, musta? Iba
The
yung
only time they've done it
mama ko eh.
is when they intended account.
Nak,
Incorrect, yeah.
Nak, Lola's asking how you going.
Good.
Good?
Yes, I just want to see the toys over there.
I'll tell Lola that you're good.
Mom. Let's go over
Yeah,
there.
it's not like it, yeah. I don't know.
You're finishing good.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You wanna make? Do you wanna say congratulations?
It's making really noise.
Yeah. Make Daddy happy then. If you say congratulations, make Daddy happy. Eat that. And then Koala will come and come.
Have they called the thing up? Your references?
Nah, not, well, maybe, I don't know. I haven't heard anything yet, so not sure.
Not yet.
But
So-
they'll have nothing but good news. They'll have nothing but good words to report anyway, so it doesn't matter.
So yeah, I just told them that, at least now, when we move to Brisbane, we don't have to worry about, this job, because there's a job waiting for you there already.
I'll get to
Yeah, Jovey's still rich.
Rich Pukwa. Si mama nyo ay, hindi pa rin ako babalik ng work, guys, kasi ito pa nga inalagaan ko pa itong dalawa. Although, nung birthday ko, tinawagan ako ng manager ko. Nag-bid siya ng happy birthday, which is, very nice of him. Pero tinanong niya agad ako, sabi niya, babalik ka naman, di ba? Kasi gusto na nila akong bumalik, kaya lang, I'm taking the whole 12 months off. For now, I might take the whole life off.
My whole life off. Daddy shout.
Daddy shot. Hindi kasi, guys, mas pipiliin ko pang alagaan yung dalawa kong mga baktin. Kaysa
Is that
naman
the bottle
mag-work ako tapos mahal pa ng childcare, di ba? Iba kasi, guys, pag wala kang family, walang mag-aalaga ng mga anak mo, so kailangan mong i-childcare. So, the same din.
Just choose.
Hintayin ko muna na lumaki itong mga anak ko nito. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, he's done very well with his interview.
You're still busting.
Apparently he killed it.
I can't even have my lunch break without people like from my work.
Yeah. Always busy, guys, kasi kahit naka-break, people from work still asking questions. That's probably what happened if you're good, Daddy. Daddy, that's probably what happened if you're good.
Yeah. I'm not good at my best.
I know my father's got it. Now, are you the best? Yeah. Kamusta lang yung scooter, Gabe? Bira na.
I should just leave it here.
No, don't leave it there. No. So, we're here now. Dito kami sa park. Dinala ko dito si Ate Paris at si Baby Celine. Daddy Mike ay bumalik na sa bahay kasi...
He's home.
Yeah.
Because he has to work.
That's right. He has to work. That's why. Ito siya iyak. Sabi ko, just go. And I'll just take the kids to the park. Yan, gising na yan siya. Naglaro-laro lang ng kanyang Sophie. You okay?
Here, maybe. Anyone will get it.
Hala, have a look na. Woo! Woo! Moving. Put it there na ko, near the table na. That's where I'm gonna sit with Baby Celine.
A few moments later.
Time check. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Hello. Hi. Sleepy ka na? Why are you fighting, man na? You're fighting your sleep. Ate Paris is there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Painting?
What happened to these crackers?
Celine kicked it. Okay. Tagak ang crackers. Hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi pupunta kami ng Bunnings. May bibilhin ako. And matatapos siya ng 5 o'clock. And it's already 5 o'clock. China-charge lang niya yung phone niya. And then we're going. And then we're going. Hopefully, this one will sleep in the car. Padidihin ko na lang before kami umalis. Oh, Bobo, okay. Sleepy na to eh. Sleepy na ikaw? Ha? Suko-suko ka? Sabi ko naman, diba? Kasi kitang-kita sa kanyang mga mata kanina. Oh, I just need mama's cuddle. Naririnig niyo sa background, guys. Nanonood kami ng Tita Rice. Tita Rice ni Celine. Nangangko na sa tita.
Look at this color.
What happened na?
Everyone's color.
Everest color. Good job, ate. Yan. Imbis na alis na kami kasi yung tatay niya nakapag-charge na. Ito na naman nakatulog. Shh. And mommy keeps talking.
Maglakad-lakad dito. Nakapag-toilet na din si Mami. Sabi ko, how many minutes left, Robert? An hour? Oh. So you don't have my shirt, okay? Take off your jacket, Mama.
Tiki, tiki, tiki. Ay, tiki, tiki, tiki. Ay, tiki, tiki, tiki. Alam niyo ba, hindi pa kami nakaalis. Ito siya nakatulog kanina. Tapos, yung ate niya nakatulog rin. Ha? Ate Paris fell asleep as well. So, hindi pa kami nakaalis. And it is now 6:30 ng gabi. Ang tatay niya ay nag-ready na ng kanyang mga gamit. Kasi ita-drop din namin sana sa gym. Finally, it's 7 o'clock at night. Nandito kami sa labas ng Bunnings. Supposedly, ako lang yung papasok. But then, Buddy is coming. Gising tong dalawa. Gising si Baby Celine. So, kung iiwan ko to, baka iiyak. Kasi, every time naman talaga na mag-stop, ay iiyak yung batang iyan. So, we're just going together. Isa lang naman ang talagang gusto kong bilhin, guys. Yung sole lang nga ng sapatos. Ayan. Kunin na ni Daddy ang kanyang anak.
Thank you. Out.
Take it out.
With you and Mommy and Celine.
Yeah, we're all going, anak. Kahit na isa lang yung bilhin namin. Yan, hayaan nyo na lang.
Come out.
Yes na lang. Yes na lang. Are you ready, ate?
Yeah.
Sabi niya she's still sleeping.
I didn't sleep.
You didn't sleep because you were listening to your songs.
Yes.
How do I get her out, Bub?
I'm not sleeping.
It's so hard to get out. It's like she's stuck in here.
Ang hirap nga namang ilabas nito. Tingnan niyo, oh. Gahuot na siya. I need to move this up a little bit more. Tingnan niyo, oh. Very full na yan siya dyan kasi nga yung damit niya.
Daddy's stronger than you. Mommy's stronger than you. That's why.
Am I stronger than Daddy now?
Yeah. Cause he's strong. Cause he's trying to put Celine.
Alright, sweetheart. Come to mama.
I'll make it go.
We're inside now. Tingnan niyo, oh. Christmas na eh. Yes, anak. We still couldn't find what we need. Okay, you don't need to cry. Remember what I told you? Ayan. So, sabi ni Kuya, it could be level 5 or 45. So, we'll see if we can find it here. So, I found one. That's not exactly what I need. But, I think that will do for now. Experiment ko yun mamaya pag uwi sa bahay. See if that works.
Mom.
It's
Not there.
smells good here. Ayan, ang ating Daddy Mike ay gustong pag nito, bili ng pabango ng sasakyan.
Let's get it up.
Gusto ko rin magbili niyan, para sa sa mga bags ko. Leather cleaner. I think I need that. Oh, deep clean soap. That's nice. Meron silang leather wipes. Hi peeps! Alam niyo ba na 11 o'clock na ng gabi? Yes, kaya ang aking mata ay nahuhulog na. So, sobrang late na namin nakauwi. Kasi pagkatapos namin i-drop si Daddy Mike kanina sa tawag ito, sa gym, ay may pinick up kami ng mga baby girls natin. So, siguro 25 minutes na drive from dito. Pero gustong-gusto ko talaga, guys. So, kahit na medyo malayo, ay pinupuntahan ko talaga. So, I'm just quickly show you what I got. Ayan. Para ito sa ating mga bulinggits. Well, mostly, yung mga damit dito ay for baby Celine. Tapos yung mga headbands are obviously for both of them. So, tingnan nyo. Diba? So, isang set to siya. So, ito yung kanyang bottom. And then, that one. Siguro, isang suotan lang to ni baby Celine. Wala pa din. This one, so cute as well. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga brands nila, guys. Facebook Marketplace pala to. See? Super cute. And that. Tapos, ito din. Anong brand to? La, made in the Philippines. Catherine Malandrino. Ala, made in the Philippines, guys. Shock ako. Kasi, yung binilhan ko nito, she sounded like French. French rin siya. Tapos, ito rin yung kanyang bottom. Ayan, yung white. Kasi magkaparehas yun sa set. And then, so, 3 bahay pala yung pinuntahan namin. So, alam nyo, bakit pinuntahan ko talaga is because 3 tao yung pinik-upan ko. So, isa dito sa mga damit. Pangalawa yung sa ibang headbands. And then, pangatlo, ibang headbands din. So, the same area kasi sila. Kaya, pinuntahan ko na lang. I made sure na silang 3 mapipick up ko para hindi na ako pabalik-balik ba. So, the second place we went to is this. Mga branded din to, guys. Tingnan nyo. Seed. Oh. So, first one, ito parang cherries ata to. Maganda to siya kasi both Ate Paris and Baby Celine can wear it. Kasi ma-adjust mo yung yung dito kung saan mo siya itatay. Ganyan. And then, second one is this bunny. Super cute, oy. Third one is ano pala siya? Flamingo. And then, yung last na pinik-upan namin ay itich. Naiwawala kasi, ewan ko guys, uy. Parang laki ng palasyo namin, guys. Naiwawala yung mga, mga, tawag ito, headband. So, yung binili ko ito. Pero alam nyo ba, what's cool about it is that, ayan, so pwede mo siyang ibaw sa ulo. Pero, at the same time, pwede mo siyang i-remove para hair clip lang. Ganyan, oh. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Very creative sila. The same. Ito siya mint green. Ito parang light. Sorry guys, nalobat ang ating camera. Cellphone na yung gamit ko. Anyways, madali lang natin. So, ito yung next. And then, ito yun. Parapol. Tapos, this one. Parang ano siya. Peach yung kulay niya. Yan. So, ito pala sila. Ito siya. $4 each. Ayan. Balik na natin. Para super excited ako masuot to ni Baby Celine. Bukas kasi may lakad tayo bukas. Pupunta tayo ng city bukas. And, andito, chicken. Ayan. Kakain muna ako guys. Bago ako matulog kasi gutom si nanay niyo. Anyways, that's about it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.